From the dashboard view, go to the left sidebar menu and click Business Settings. In this section, you can update your business name, business email, and business phone. Below your business info, you'll find a team members list with their assigned roles. Using the Actions drop-down, you can manage roles or remove members from your agency. If you need to invite new users to your agency, simply enter their email address here and click the plus button to send an invitation. Below, you'll see a list of all invited users, which you can also remove if needed. At the very bottom of this page, you'll find the option to delete your business account. Clicking this button will open a pop-up window where you'll be asked to select a reason for deleting your agency account. To finalize, click Delete My Account, and the request will be sent to our support team. If you want to manage your user settings instead, click on your profile photo in the top right corner and continue on My Profile. Here, you can update your contact email, view your business connections, and their specific permissions. At the bottom, find the Delete Account option. If you are the agency owner, you must transfer ownership to another team member before you can request to delete your personal account. If you are the only member in your agency, you can either invite new members or your agency will be deleted with deleting your account.